Now we are giving driver pack solution using our pen drive, because this one is Windows 7, so there have a lot of driver is missing. So we are already downloading this one. Also you need, you will just tell us, we are giving the link. Now we are giving driver pack solution for Windows 7. Then I am asking, you just read. When you need this one, you click the OK. But everything you need, when are you need to the connect internet. So when you in the 7, this is not working, so I'm just giving OK. Also when I click yes, is go the internet. Then OK. That I was showing how many driver is not in here, because I'm clicking OK, so it's going the internet. Just wait. We are showing this Wi-Fi is not have been here. When we are giving the driver pack, this Wi-Fi, also font, also all everything is going to OK. They are showing how many driver is needed to install in here. They're searching. Then OK, they're giving some report. They're showing 14 driver need to update. Click install. Then you can check in here how many drivers. There have a one problem. Sometime need to click next, but next is not showing. So when next is not showing, what are you doing? Just click in here, again click in here. Now start is showing, installation is showing. Now we need to the wait, and there have a lot of pop-up incoming. This time you just clicking the yes. Now we are pausing the video. Now the starting the installation. First one is done, second one is running, so then third one, then fourth one, CL by 18. This one showing for asking, are you need the install in here? I will agree this one, so install. Almost finished. Now Wi-Fi adapter is installing. Just see in the Wi-Fi not in having here. When the installation done, this here Wi-Fi is showing. Now Wi-Fi is coming. Also show you our all font is big, so there I was showing the restart. When I give the restart, then font size is going to the small and graphics driver is connected. Just click OK and waiting for restart. Dana? No. Wait. Now click enter. See, the welcome font is small and showing the good. When previous time the driver is not in here, this time is not showing the good display. Now all font is here. Also show you how to the check in the graphics driver. There have the graphics is connected now. Also Wi-Fi is connected. Our driver pack solution is working. Thank you.